Welcome to Harmony of Hope. Get ready to kickstart your journey to a happier you in 2025. In this video, we'll show you how exercise can be a powerful tool to boost your mood, reduce stress, and increase overall well-being. From simple workouts to incorporate into your daily routine to tips on staying motivated, we've got you covered. Discover the benefits of exercise on mental health and start feeling the positive effects for yourself. Join me as I challenge myself to exercise every single day for a month to see if it really can make me a happier person in 2025. Let's get moving and make 2025 the happiest year yet. Did you know that 80% of people who exercise regularly report feeling happier and less stressed? It's true. Exercise doesn't just transform your body, it's like therapy for your mind, too. And the best part, you don't need to run marathons or spend hours in the gym. In just a few minutes a day, you can unlock a happier, healthier you in 2025. Stick around to learn how. Today, we are diving into a powerful truth: exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Countless studies show a direct connection between physical activity and mental well-being. Regular exercise releases endorphins, reduces anxiety, boosts your mood, and even enhances focus and creativity. As we head into 2025, we all want to feel happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. That's why it's time to rethink exercise, not as a chore, but as a gift for your mind and soul. Whether it's a simple walk, yoga, or your favorite dance routine, movement has the power to transform not just your year but your entire outlook on life. Let's explore how. Here's the truth: we all know exercise is good for us, but let's be real, it's not always easy to stick with it. Life gets busy, and suddenly finding time to work out feels impossible. Maybe your to-do list is packed, or you're juggling family, work, and everything in between. And then there's the motivation trap. Some days, you might feel too tired or drained to even think about moving. Other times, the sheer number of options, gym memberships, fitness apps, workout plans, can feel so overwhelming that you don't even know where to start. Sound familiar? You're not alone. These challenges can leave us stuck, even though deep down, we want to make positive changes. But don't worry, there's good news. There are simple, realistic ways to overcome these hurdles and make exercise work for you. Let's tackle them together, one step at a time. Let's talk about how you can move your way to a happier you. Exercise isn't one size fits all, and the great news is there's something for everyone. Let's explore 3 powerful options that can enhance your mood and happiness. First up, aerobic exercise. Activities like brisk walking, running, or cycling. These activities boost your heart rate and trigger a flood of endorphins, the happy hormones. Those feel-good chemicals, while also reducing stress hormones like cortisol that reduce stress and anxiety while leaving you energized. Even just 30 minutes a few times a week can make you feel more energized and positive. Next, there's yoga. This isn't just about stretching, it's a blend of mindful movement, controlled breathing, and relaxation. Combining gentle movement, deep breathing, and mindfulness is a powerful tool for calming the mind, improving flexibility, and building inner peace. Research shows it's especially effective at reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, improves focus, and helps you stay present in the moment. Plus, it's perfect for unwinding after a stressful day. Finally, let's talk about group activities. Whether it's a dance class, spin session, or a pickup game of basketball, working out with others builds a sense of community. Sharing smiles, laughs, and goals with like-minded people not only makes exercise fun but also strengthens social connections, key to a happier, more fulfilling life. No matter your preference, the key is this: choose an activity that you enjoy. That's what makes it sustainable and, ultimately, what brings long-term happiness into your life. The best part: you don't need to master all these at once. Find what fits your lifestyle and start where you are. Here I will illustrate case study of my friend whose life improved significantly through exercise. A year ago, his life was completely different. He was constantly tired, stressed, and unhappy. Doctor told him he was on the verge of burnout and needed to make some serious changes. He didn't know where to start, but then his friend suggested something simple: just walk for 15 minutes a day. He thought, how could that possibly help? But he tried it. At first, it was tough, but after a couple of weeks, something incredible happened. His mind felt clearer. He was sleeping better. Slowly, those walks turned into jogs. Then he found a local yoga class, and it became his weekly reset. Bit by bit, he started feeling stronger, not just physically, but mentally. For the first time in years, he felt happy and confident again. Exercise didn't just change his body, it gave him back his energy, his focus, and joy. He never imagined something so simple could transform his entire life, but it did. And it can for you too. Just start small. You'll be amazed at how far you'll go. To wrap it up, exercise is so much more than physical. It's a lifeline for your mental health and happiness. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a fun group class, movement boosts your mood, reduces stress, and creates lasting joy. As we head into 2025, remember, a happier, healthier you start with one step. So, why not start today? Now it's your turn. Share your favorite ways to exercise in the comments. I'd love to hear what keeps you moving. And don't miss my next video, where we'll explore how fitness can boost self-esteem and transform your mental health. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Harmony of Hope for more tips to elevate your 2025.